All right, guys. Our boy's back in here with the Infiniti 3.7 liter Q50. Look at it. Look at it. So he did a cat delete himself. There and there, as you guys can see. Then it was, Infiniti's way of a Y pipe, or X pipe, I mean. Infiniti's way of an X pipe, right there. Where it Y's in, then it Y's back out. They do that to cut down on drone. It works a little bit, but not really. But not a lot. Anyways, we did a resonant delete earlier in the year. And then we did a muffler delete also, but it was just way too loud for him. It was snapping and cracking too much. So we had this used Invidia system that came off of a 370Z. Right there, as you guys can see. So we took it, fabbed it up, and made it fit on his car. Check it out, guys. So this should help him with the drone and the raspiness. Invidia high performance 4-inch tips out the back. Oh, really nice, really clean. Get at it. Just a nice system. Looks like it fits the car perfectly now. We had to put tailpipes on it and intermediate pipes to make it fit. But it came out clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. It's a lot quieter. Better. Oh, there we go. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 112. Again. I like it. What do you think, bro? You like it? Go ahead and back it out straight. Rev it! He's definitely gonna make the channel. Sounds like gunshot. That's insane. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's the inside view. Very nice car, clean. He just loaded the maps. So to get it to pop, got a rev. You hear it pop. I see how. Barely giving gas. What do you guys think of the sound inside? It quieted it down drastically. Invidia did its trick. I'm barely tapping the gas and it makes it pop. Enjoy, guys. This is regular, guys. That's cool. It's popping like crazy. It's insane. Damn,